So after we got tokens of groups, we can move to the second stage and start getting ready our group. We have created a new group. It's completely default at the moment, and we need to prepare it. First of all, we have to make it a supergroup in order to get a proper ID and then get this ID. So first thing we do is we go into Settings, Manage Group, and change the history for the new members. We make it visible. After that, we have to remove some unnecessary permissions. Saving. Now our group has become a supergroup. On the second step, we're going to have to get the ID of our group. We're going back to Settings, Manage Group, Add Administrator, and looking for My ID Bot. This is how it looks like. We're going to have to confirm that we adding this bot as an admin. You can also remove some unnecessary privileges. Press Save. As you can see, bot was added to the group, and we got this button with the commands of this bot. So whenever you press it, you're supposed to get inline menu here, but sometimes you're not getting it in the beginning. So in order to find out the command to get the group's ID, you can go directly to this bot and look for the command in its description. We're going to copy the command and get back to our group. So in order for the bot to show you ID of your group, you just send the command you copy and you get reply. As you can see, we got long ID, started with 10. It means that our group is a super group and this ID not going to change anymore. So the second stage is over. All we're supposed to do in a group, we have done. We got the ID of the group, and now we can move forward and add this ID to the bot. To make it simpler for us, we can copy this ID by pressing it and get back to our bot. In order to add a new group to the bot, we have to move to our admin section, find Channels and Groups, and press Add Group Channel. As you can see, the message in this section has a help link, so whenever you don't know something or not sure, you can press the link and read all the necessary information. Constructor has documentation which covers 100% of the functionality. So always refer to documentation, and better yet, start all your work from reading this documentation. Let's continue registering our group in the bot by pressing Add Group. Once you've done it, you get instructions. There are multiple ways to add the group. If your group is public, you can use its name, but we're going to use the ID we have obtained before. Usually I press Force ID. We paste the ID we have copied and send it to the bot. As you can see, group was added successfully, but at the moment it's not enabled. On this step, we're going to need those group tokens which we have prepared in our last video. So in order to enable your group, you press Enable and confirm. The bot gives you precaution that he will charge 1 token of groups. As you can see, our group is enabled. All the options now are available. Most of them we're gonna cover in our following videos. At the moment, we can just change the name. Now, when our group is added and enabled, we can move to the last step and add our bot to the group we have prepared before. To make our life easier, we can copy the address of our bot, so it would be easier for us to edit. We move into the group. The process of adding our bot is similar to the one we have used to add ID bot. So we moving back to Manage Group, Administrators, Add Administrator. We paste the address we have copied. We find our bot and confirm adding it as administrator. You can remove all unnecessary privileges. And press Save. As you can see, our bot was added to the group. In order to check if everything is correct, you can send the message to the group, and if your bot is not leaving at this stage, it means it was added properly. As you can see, our bot is still in group, so everything is correct. And this is how actually the menu of ID bot is supposed to look like. But sometimes it's not showing in the beginning. After all settings are done, you can actually remove the ID bot from your group because you're not gonna need this bot anymore. At this point, adding your bot into the group is over. In the following videos, we're gonna talk about the abilities of your bot in a group.